Engineers Day. Engineers Day is observed in several countries on various dates of the year. As of 19 January 1996, the World Federation of Engineering Organization has designated March 4th as World Engineering Day for Sustainable World. In Pakistan, this day is celebrated on 10th January and first time it is celebrated on 10th January 2014 when Pakistan Engineering Council came into being for the regulation of engineering profession and education. While in India, this day is celebrated on 15 September every year as tribute to the Indian engineer and Bharat Ratna Sir Mokshagandham Vishwesvaraya. Generally, this day is celebrated in engineering and technology institutions. Students of engineering college organize various cultural and academic events. Debates, speeches, and essay writing competition are conducted based on the theme of this day. On this day, the professors give lectures on the life of great personalities belong to this profession. The object of this day is to motivate students toward the scope of engineering.